Master these 3 verbs with prepositions for perfect English. Hey everyone! I'm Mia Khalifa, and welcome back to Go Natural English. Rocket! Today, I have a super useful quick tip for you, one that will help you sound more natural and avoid common mistakes when speaking English. We're going to talk about 3 very common verbs that require prepositions to be used correctly. These are white heavy checkmark listen to, white heavy checkmark talk to or talk with, white heavy checkmark look at. Many English learners forget to include the right prepositions with these verbs, which can make their sentences sound incomplete or incorrect. But don't worry, by the end of this lesson, you'll never make this mistake again. So, grab a notebook, stay focused, and let's get started. Step 1. What are phrasal verbs? Before we dive in, let's quickly talk about phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are verbs that combine with prepositions or adverbs to create a completely new meaning. For example, give up, which means to quit. Run into, which means to meet someone unexpectedly. Look after, which means to take care of. In today's lesson, we're focusing on verbs that always need a preposition, otherwise, they sound incorrect. Let's break them down one by one. Verb number 1, listen to. One of the most common mistakes I hear from English learners is saying, crossmark I listen music. That's incorrect. The correct way is, white heavy checkmark I listen to music. The verb listen always requires the preposition to before the object. Let's practice together. Small blue diamond I listen to podcasts every morning. Small blue diamond she listens to the radio while driving. Small blue diamond we listen to our teacher in class. Now, let's make this more natural sounding. When native speakers talk at a normal speed, the phrase listen to sounds like listen to instead of listen to. Try saying it with me. Speaking head I listen to music every day. Did you hear how to become softer? That's what makes you sound more fluent. Now, let's do a quick quiz. Which sentence is correct? Keycap 1 I listen my favorite songs. Keycap 2 I listen to my favorite songs. The answer is number 2. White heavy checkmark I listen to my favorite songs. Great job. Let's move on to our next verb. Verb number 2, talk to/talk with. Now, let's talk about the verb talk. Many learners ask, should I say talk to or talk with? Thinking face. The good news is, both are correct. Party popper. White heavy checkmark talk to is more commonly used in general conversations. White heavy checkmark talk with is used when referring to a two-way conversation. Here are some examples. Small blue diamond I talk to my boss every Monday. Common usage. Small blue diamond she talks to her best friend about everything. Small blue diamond we talked with our teacher about the exam. More interactive. Now, let's practice the correct stress and pronunciation. When speaking naturally, talk to sounds like speaking head talk to. Try repeating after me. Speaking head I talk to my friends on the phone. Sounds more natural, right? Now, let's test your understanding. Which sentence is correct? Keycap 1 I talk my friend every day. Keycap 2 I talk to my friend every day. The correct answer is number 2. White heavy checkmark I talk to my friend every day. Great! Now, let's move on to our last verb. Verb number 3, look at. The last verb we're going to focus on today is look. A very common mistake learners make is saying, crossmark look this picture. The correct way to say it is, white heavy checkmark look at this picture. The verb look always needs the preposition at before the object. Let's go through some more examples. Small blue diamond look at the sky, it's so beautiful. Small blue diamond she looked at her watch to check the time. Small blue diamond we're looking at different options for our vacation. Did you know? Look at can also mean thinking about or considering something. Small blue diamond I'm looking at buying a new car. Equals I'm considering it. Small blue diamond they are looking at different universities. Now, let's work on pronunciation. When spoken naturally, look at sounds like. Speaking head look at. Try saying this with me. Speaking head look at the board. It's smoother and sounds more native-like, right? Now, let's do a quick quiz. Keycap 1 look the menu. Keycap 2 look at the menu. The correct answer is number 2. White heavy checkmark look at the menu. Awesome. Final review, 3 verbs with prepositions. We covered 3 important verbs today. Let's review them one more time. Light bulb listen to. White heavy checkmark I listen to music every morning. Light bulb talk to / talk with. White heavy checkmark I talk to my friends about everything. Light bulb look at. White heavy checkmark look at this amazing view. If you remember these 3 rules, you'll sound more fluent and speak English with confidence. Final challenge. Direct hit. Before we end, I want to give you a challenge. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. Keycap 1 I underscore to music while studying. Keycap 2 she underscore to her best friend every day. Keycap 3 look underscore the beautiful sunset. Write your answers in the comments below, and I'll check them for you. Conclusion, keep practicing and keep learning. That's it for today's lesson. Party popper. White heavy checkmark you now know 3 powerful verbs that require prepositions. White heavy checkmark you learned how to pronounce them naturally. White heavy checkmark you practiced with real-life examples. If you enjoyed this lesson, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Go Natural English, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Waving hand.